Hi, assalamu everyone, my name is Kira and this is my first video doing voiceover. I found this book at a local bookstore with a very cheap price. This is my first time using a little expensive watercolor paper. It's called Rough Academy 300 GSM. So first I sketched this scene with multiple plants in pots. Then I take the watercolor paper so we have a clean border paint later. I started with water wash painting on the background area. And add some light dark grey color to distinguish the background from the object. Then I use the hot air gun to make it dry faster, or else this painting gonna take a longer time to finish. This plant suspiciously looked like a succulent, but in the picture it looks kinda big. Honestly, I couldn't find the name of this plant in the book. If you recognize what kind of plant is this, please comment below. I painted this pot with various shades of brown, loosely based on the picture. Honestly, I was scared to start this painting because the picture can be intimidated, but I don't wanna waste an expensive watercolor paper as the first trial. However, as I started painting and time went on, I became more relaxed. I know it is impossible to reach perfection, and imperfection kinda makes the painting looks more realistic. So for me, it is okay to be scared to try new things as long as we did try to go through the process. Then we know which part we can improve in the future. I always have this mindset that never stay too long in comfort zone. I love painting on this paper because no matter how much I painted on the same area, the paper is still intact. I don't see any paper debris coming out. close-up painting so that you can see how texturized this paper is. I added the pavement and white dirt wall so that this painting have a perspective. Plus, I was too lazy to paint tiny rocks as in the picture, so I improvised, as long as the painting won't take too much time. For the final details, I use watercolor brush and white gel pen to add some highlights on the plants. This is the final looks of my botanical painting. What do you guys think? Any suggestion what kind of painting I should do next? Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more watercolor painting videos. Bye!